Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm gonna be doing Redmi K20 Water Test. I've also did the Realme X Water Test, and that phone survived my water test. Now let's see if this K20 can survive in water. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and have your notification on, so you don't miss out my upcoming videos. So this variant which I'm holding right now is a 6GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. And it's running on Android version 9 with MIUI version 10.3.6 on top of it. And it comes with Snapdragon 730 processor. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. And now it's ready for the water test. Now let's keep this phone in here. Now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And as you can see, it's not responding to the touches in the water. So what do you guys think? Can the Redmi K20 survive my water test? Let me know in the comments below. Now let's flip this phone. Flip it back again. And it's randomly opening up the apps. It's because of the water. The phone is still on, however it's not responding to the touches as the most phone does in the water. I have also did the Realme X water test. You can also check that video by clicking on the eye icon on the top right corner. And now it's going to be 1 minute. Now let's stop the timer and take the phone out. Okay, so this phone has been in the water for complete 1 minute. Let's see if it's fully working. The water didn't went inside the rear camera. Here's the pop-up camera. We'll also check that out after cleaning the phone. The water went inside the speaker grill and charging port. So now let's clean the phone. The phone is still on, and also it's now very responsive to the touches. And now let's check the in-display fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is scanning my fingerprint. That means the fingerprint sensor is working. And now let's try to unlock the phone with the fingerprint sensor. And yes, the fingerprint sensor is working, and it's unlocking the phone without any problem. Now let's check the face unlock. I have added my face, and now let's try to unlock the phone with the face unlock. And yes, the face unlock is working. It quickly unlocks the phone. The pop-up camera is working. There's no issue when it goes up and down. Now let's check the rear camera. Let's take a quick photo of this box. And it takes photos with good details and contrast. Let's check the speaker. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Realme X versus Redmi K20 speed test. So these both phones are most anticipated phones, and I'm so excited. The speaker is working, it's loud and clear. So before we get started, the phone is also getting charged. The volume rockers are also working. So yeah, the phone is fully working. The Redmi K20 survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.